National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Vernon Parish in west-central Louisiana until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kurthwood, or 14 miles northeast of Anacoco, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hutton, Kurthwood, and Simpson. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and west-central Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and west-central Louisiana.